Okay, so this is question number 2 on your test that you got. So make sure you watch this video too and answer the question afterwards. So here is number 2. So it says a carpenter charges $7.20 for 18 hours of work. She charges the same amount of money for each hour of work. So when it says each hour of work, then I already know that I need to find out how much she charges for each hour. So which table shows the relationship between the amount of time the carpenter works and the amount of money she charges? So what I do, because I want to know how much she charges per hour, I'm going to go ahead and do 72 or 720 divided by 18. Well, I know 18 into 720 goes in 4 times, I believe. Let me think. 8 times 4 is 32, yeah. So 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4 is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 72. So 18 is 0. So bring down the 0. So that means she charges $40 per hour. So that means I need to see which one shows that it's $40 per hour. So in this case, I just need to look at the table. So if I know that B is incorrect because it's telling you 18 hours for 720 and this has 19 hours for 720. So I know B is incorrect. If you look at D, same thing, 14 hours and it's the same amount, that's incorrect too. So it's between A and C. So I'm looking at A and I'm looking at C. So if I look at A, 2 times, I'm going to see 40 because it's 40 equals 80. 4 times 40 is 160. 6 times 40 is 240. And 8 times 40 is 320. So I'm going to go ahead and say that it's letter A. But I'm still going to check C just in case. So 3 times 25 is 75. But the original amount was 40. So just knowing that, I know that I could go ahead and check off A. So my answer here is letter A. So make sure that you watch the reteach number 3. Make sure that you are answering the question after this video.